Adultery is a complex and culturally sensitive issue that varies in definition and perception across different countries. While there is no definitive global ranking for countries with the highest rates of adultery due to the private and subjective nature of the act, some surveys and studies have highlighted trends in certain nations. These are often based on self-reported data, societal attitudes, or anecdotal evidence. Below are 10 countries often mentioned in discussions about high rates of adultery, along with factors that might contribute to these perceptions. 1. Thailand has a reputation for its liberal attitudes toward relationships and a thriving adult entertainment industry. Some surveys suggest infidelity is relatively common, partially due to cultural acceptance of extramarital relationships among some demographics. 2. France is known for its relatively relaxed attitudes toward monogamy and relationships. Affairs are often viewed as private matters, and some studies indicate higher rates of infidelity compared to global averages. 3. Germany has surveys indicating a significant percentage of Germans admit to infidelity. A cultural emphasis on personal freedom and privacy might contribute to this trend. 4. Italian culture, often associated with passion and romance, reportedly has a higher incidence of extramarital affairs. Some suggest societal norms may be more forgiving of infidelity in certain regions. 5. Brazil's vibrant social culture and open discussions about sexuality may correlate with higher rates of self-reported infidelity, especially in urban centers. 6. Infidelity rates in the United States are often attributed to the high use of dating apps and websites that facilitate extramarital connections. Studies suggest that around 20% of married individuals in the U.S. admit to cheating at some point. 7. Historically, infidelity was prevalent in South Korea, particularly among men, due to patriarchal norms. Although changing, extramarital affairs remain a social issue, sometimes linked to work culture and nightlife. 8. Japan has a unique cultural phenomenon surrounding compensated dating and extramarital relationships, often attributed to work-related stress, long hours, and marital dissatisfaction. 9. Some reports suggest that infidelity is relatively common in Russia. Factors such as gender dynamics, societal expectations, and relationship challenges are often cited. 10. In certain regions of Nigeria, cultural polygamy and societal norms may contribute to perceptions of infidelity. Surveys have suggested that infidelity rates can be higher in urban areas compared to rural regions. It's essential to understand that cultural norms define adultery and attitudes toward it vary widely. In some countries, extramarital affairs are more stigmatized than in others. Infidelity is a private matter, so survey results may be influenced by societal pressures or biases in self-reporting. In some countries, adultery is criminalized, which affects reporting rates and societal attitudes. The ranking and reasons provided are based on general trends and surveys. Individual behavior cannot be generalized, and rates of infidelity are influenced by complex, multifaceted factors, including culture, socioeconomic conditions, and personal values.